2016 Toyota Tacoma, we're going to replace the headlight. Customer doesn't like this one, the hazy. This is kind of new. Not this one. We ordered a new headlight. Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove these two 10 mils. There is a small cutout on the bottom of the headlight. We're going to remove that panel. I don't want to use the panel properly. Yes. Once you pop this side out, you're going to come forward this way to release. There is a little hook on this side that locks in here. So you pull this way to release. Remove this thing here. We're going to remove the grill. There's 10 mils here, clips here. We're going to remove the grill because headlight is overlapping with this grill. On the bottom of this corner here, there is a 10 mil, which is, this is a new headlight. That's the top, this is the bottom. This one, you can remove it by two ways. You can do it from underneath, going this way, from the bottom up, or you can reach, there's a space here, reach this way with a socket set and remove that 10 mil through here. Probably easier from the bottom up, but let's see. We are doing it from bottom up. To remove those screws, pry that out. It's got to be this way, no?
No, this house is low.
Yeah, I think it has to come out this way. How about if we pull out this way? I'm going to disconnect these plugs. It's a little trick. What you do is you try to pry this whole thing out straight. This thing right here, it won't let you. So what you do is you tilt this entire headlight 90 degree upward like this. So this, then it comes out. So if you try to pull this thing out straight, this bottom leg is preventing from coming out straight. So you simply tilt 90 degrees up like this and pull. Alright, let's put this one in. The same thing. You're going to turn 90 degree up and straighten. See how simple it is? Sometimes you got to use your head. Put this back in place right here. Got to go up a little bit. Yep, that's good. They never got here.
Hey,